Hi, assalamu alaikum. In this video we are going to learn how to write lowercase character W and X. Okay, here we go. Put your marker near to the second line. Touch the second line. Then come down straightly on third line. Now move your marker upward on second line again. Now come down third line again. Now move your marker upward on second line again. Now move your marker downward and draw the little line here. Now pick up your marker. This is lowercase character W. Once again I'm going to write. It may be slightly different from previous one. Okay, put your marker near to second line, touch the second line. Now come down on third line. Now come up again on second line. Now come down on third line. Now make curve here and now touch the second line. Now move your marker downward in a diagonal way. Now pick up your marker. This is lowercase character W. Okay, now I am going to write lowercase character X. Okay, put your marker on second line. Make curve here. Now move your marker downward on third line. Now come back on second line. Make curve here. Now move your marker backward, touching the side of X. Now touch the third line. Make curve here, upward. Now pick up your marker. This is lowercase character X. Once again I am going to write. Put your marker on second line. Make curve here. Now move your marker downward on third line. Now move your marker upward. Make curve here, downward. Now move your marker backward. Now touch the side of X. Now touch the third line. Now pick up your marker. This is lowercase character S. Hope all of you have learned it. We will meet in next video. See you. Tata.